3D printed objects seem to be all the rage these days. You can 3D print almost anything from toys to accessories, bike saddles, furniture, and even sneakers. Sneakerheads may be divided on the idea, but for those who value function more than form, a pair of 3D sneakers may actually work. Such can offer ergonomics that you don't normally get from common sneakers. We're not saying those expensive sneakers are not comfortable, but they may not be enough. The Cryptide sneaker was designed by Stefan Henrich for Centratec. The German architect and designer came up with a pair of full 3D shoes meant to be laser sintered with a flexible TPE material. Using a Centratec S2 System 3D printer, the shoes were formed and printed. The Cryptide features a sole with an open design. The designer said it was made possible by SLS production, selective laser sintering, and a material called Centratec TPE elastomer. Simply put, SLS is an additive manufacturing that takes advantage of laser to sinter particles into a more solid 3D structure. Henrich and Centratec worked together to bring the sneaker design into reality. The sole is then combined with an upper shoe that is also printed and works more like a sock. The result is a shoe that will remind you of cryptids and other monsters. It's certain that when you wear and walk with a Cryptide, you will leave traces like a cryptid would do, as per the designer, who now thinks TPE is a great material for designing shoes. The material is mainly soft and flexible, but the shoe is rugged and thick enough in areas where it matters. Don't be surprised if people will suddenly call you Bigfoot. The shoe will leave footprints that may probably freak out people. What they say won't matter, as the pair can be very comfortable. Since it's 3D printed, the size and shape can adapt to the foot of the wearer. Customization starts by scanning your foot for measurements. The upper shoe will be printed according to the personal shape of the wearer's foot. Looking at the design of the upper, it looks like a sock, but we suggest you still wear socks with the shoes for added comfort and hygiene. If the Parametrics Print 001 sneaker reminds you of Yeezy foam runners, Cryptide will remind you of the Adidas Futurecraft 4D. This will be the last of M3D printer sneakers. The 3D print era has just begun. And yes, expect more 3D printed sneakers will be made.